Hi everyone, in today's video we're looking at the top 5 hair clippers of the year. You can find all the links to the products that I've mentioned in this video in the description down below. Here we go.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
you are interested in buying any of these products, you can see the links in the description. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.